Get ready. G chord, 5, 6, 5, 6. G chord, go.
Here is where I
Change to D.
lay down every burden,
A minor.
every crown. This is my surrender.
C.
This is my
Repeat.
surrender.
G.
Here is where I lay
D.
down every lie and
A minor.
every doubt. This is my surrender.
C. Gonna move to chorus, same chords.
And
G
I
chord,
will
go.
make room for you
Change to D.
to do whatever
minor.
you want to. Do whatever you want to.
Repeat one more time. Change to
And I
G,
will
go.
make room for you
D chord.
to do whatever
minor.
you want to. Do whatever you want to.
Back to verse and G.
Here is where I lay
D.
down every burden,
A minor.
every crown. This is my surrender.
C.
This is my surrender.
G chord, go.
Here is where I lay
chord.
down every lie and
A minor.
every doubt. This is my surrender.
C chord. Chorus, G chord, go.
And I will make room for you
Change to D.
to do whatever
minor.
you want to. Do whatever you want to.
Again, chorus.
And I will make
G.
room for you
Change to D.
to do whatever
minor.
you want to. Do whatever you want to.
Going bridge, same chord, G.
Shake up the ground of all my tradition. Break down the walls of all my religion.
minor.
Your way is better.
C.
Your way is better.
Bridge, repeat. G chord.
Shake up the ground of all my tradition. Break down the walls of all my religion.
minor.
Your way is better.
C chord.
Your way is better.
And a hold.
And
G
I
chord,
will
hold.
make room
2,
for you
3. Hold on D. 2, 3.
to do
Hold on
whatever
A
you
minor.
want to.
2, 3.
Do whatever
chord,
you
hold.
want to.
2. Rhythm play,
And
G
I will
chord, go.
make room for you
Change to D.
to do whatever
minor.
you want to. Do whatever
chord.
you want to.
Ending on bridge, G chord.
Shake up the ground of all my tradition.
chord.
Break down the walls of all my religion.
minor.
Your way is better.
C chord.
Your way is better.
Ending on C, hold. 2, 3, 4. Well done! Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.